Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add product price according to weight in Woocommerce. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Woocommerce price based on weight or weight-based pricing for Woocommerce. Install and activate a plugin like Woocommerce weight-based pricing, and it's free and works perfectly for this purpose. Once it's activated, go to Products, then go to All Products, and click Edit on the product where you want to set price by weight. Then scroll down to the Product Data section, and you will now see a new option for weight-based pricing or pricing rules. Here you can set your price per kilogram, per gram, or per pound, depending on your store's unit settings. For example, if your product costs $10 per kilogram, just set 10 as the base price and define the weight range like from 0.5 kilograms to 2 kg. You can also create multiple pricing rules, for example, 0 to 1 kilogram for $10 and above 5 kilograms for $8. Once done, click Update to save your product settings. Now, when customers choose a quantity or weight on the product page, Woocommerce will automatically calculate the total price based on their selected weight. And that's it now, you know how to add dynamic product pricing according to weight in Woocommerce easily. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.